Ever wish sending money globally was as easy as sending a text? Let's walk through exactly how to send money from your Payoneer account to someone who uses Taptap Pay in a seamless, straightforward way. This isn't just about the clicks. It's about ensuring your money gets where it needs to go, safely and efficiently. First things first, log into your Payoneer account. Once you're logged in, locate the Send or Pay option. Depending on your Payoneer interface, this is usually prominently displayed on your dashboard. Click on it. You should then see a form requesting the recipient's details. This is where you'll enter the necessary information. Make sure you have the recipient's Taptap Pay required details ready to go to input this information now. Provide the recipient's name, bank account number, and remember, double-check everything here. Accuracy prevents avoidable delays. Next, you'll be asked for the payment amount. Enter the amount you want to send, and verify again if the required currency is set up to be the currency the recipient uses. Specify the currency and a reason for payment. The reason helps both you and the recipient keep track of the transaction. Review the transaction details carefully on the confirmation page. Take a close look at the amount, the recipient information, and any service fees associated with the transfer. If everything is correct, hit that confirm button. The final step, your part is done. The recipient should then receive the funds through Taptap Pay, which usually happens fast. Congratulations, that's it. You've successfully sent money from Payoneer to Taptap Pay. #PAYONER #TaptapPay.